Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining me. In today's presentation, we continue with our solutions to circle geometry. This is one of the very interesting topic in mathematics. Student tends to run away from circle geometry because of the theories and the basic properties of circle and angles that is involved. But the beauty of this topic, if you can recall all the laws and apply the theories and the basic properties, it will be easy like laws of indices. Our student tends to run away from this topic. There is no year that WAEC will not say this question, but in the optional parts and the compulsory parts. What you need to know how to apply the theories, when to apply the theories, as well as the basic properties of angles. In my previous videos, I've solved as many questions as I can from this topic. Thank you for joining me. The returning viewers, I really appreciate you. God bless you. Thank you for your support. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, thank you for your support and may God bless you. Let's look at how we can handle this question on the board before us. The question reads, in the diagram, we have a diagram here. O is the center. This is the center here is O of the circle. Then angle ABO is 30 degree. And angle BOE is 124 degrees. We are asked to calculate angle OED, the entire angle here, very important. Okay, and what with circle geometry is the way I will approach this question may not be the same with the way another person will approach this, but the beauty of it is we must arrive at the same answer. So let's look at how we can solve this together. You have to read this condition that is here. We are told from the question that O is the center. Okay, if O is the center, we have to look at this question critically. There are many ways, as I said, we can approach this. If O is the center, it means this will be the radius and they are of equal length. O to length, O to B, O to E are of equal length. They are the radius. Okay, so I might decide to draw another line here, and this line becomes the chord B to E. The reason is, since I know the angle at the center, I can easily find this angle here. Let here be x, let here be x. The reason is based on this an isosceles triangle. But let's look at how we can solve it. Let's bring out the information. Let's write down the solution. As I said, O to B and length OE are the same. The reason is these are the two radius we have. Okay, they are of equal length. And since we have these are of equal length, the base angle of this triangle are the same. Base angle of an isosceles triangle are equal. So we can easily find x, the value of x. Okay, we can say that angle OBE is the same as angle OEB. Angle OEB. Base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. The base angles are equal. So we can easily find x. This is a triangle. X plus 124 degree will be equals to 180 degree. Sum of angles in a triangle. Okay, this will be 2x will now be equals to 180 degree minus 124 degree. Okay, this will be 2x will be equals to 180 minus 124 degree. Of course, that will be 56 degree. That will be 56 degree because if you add this 70, this will be 8 years. That will be 56 degree. So we can divide both sides by 2 to find x. X now will be equals to 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2 remainder 1. 2 into 16 is 18. So it means this small angle here is nothing but 28 degree. But that's not what we are looking for. Okay. Another thing again, we can find this angle here at the center here. Okay, if you can find the angle at the center here, then we can easily, we're looking for the whole of this angle here. We're looking, so if we know this angle here, we can find the whole of this angle here. Okay, but for us to achieve that, we have to find this angle at the center here. Okay, we have the angle at the circumference rather. We have the angle at the center here as 124 degrees. So to find the angle at the circumference, half of this will give us the angle at the circumference here. Okay. Uh, let's look at how we can do that. It means angle BAE, angle BAE, okay, will be, that's angle at the circumference now, will be half angle BOE. The reason is half angle at the center will give you the angle at the circumference. In other words, the angle that an arc of a circle sustained at the center, half of it will give you the angle at the circumference. Okay, so to find this angle here, we have to take half of 124. So angle BAE, half times 124 degrees. So this will now be 2 here, 1, 2 here, 6, 2 here, 2. That will be 62 degree. So the angle here is 62 degrees. Okay, we are almost there. Another thing again, as I said, there are many ways we can approach this question. Another thing again, let me take this up small. We can find this reflex angle here. Okay, this is a reflex angle here. Okay, so that if I know this reflex angle here plus 30 degree plus 62, then plus this angle that's here, it will be 360 degree, because this is a chi shape. Sum of angle in a chi sum up to 360 degree. So let me remove here to achieve that. Okay, so I'm trying to find the reflex angle here now. Okay, so to find the reflex angle, you know that this is angle at the point, sum of angle round this point, sum up to 360 degree. To find this reflex angle now, it will be 360 degree. So I can say the reflex angle now, it will be B or E. So I can say reflex angle B or E will be 360 degree minus 124. 360 means sum of angles at a point. So let's minus this and see. 360 minus 124, this is 10, that will be 6, 5 minus 2, that's 3, then 2. That will be 220, 36. So here, the angle here will be 236. So I can easily find y now. Okay, I can easily find y. Let me move here to achieve that. Let me clean here. To find y now, as I said, y now, because let this angle here be y now plus 236 degree plus 62 degree plus 30 degree will be equals to 360 degree, because this chi shape is a family of quadrilateral, and sum of angle in a quadrilateral sum up to 360 degree. So let's add this before we minus. Y now will be equals to 360 degree. We sum this. Let's do the summation here. 236 plus 62 plus 30. This will be 8. This is 9. That's 12 carry 1. That will be 3. That will be 328 degree. So y now will be equals to, let's subtract 328 from 360. 360, 328. Let's minus 2 carry 1 is 5 minus 2, that's 3. So we'll have 32 degrees. So it will be 32 degrees. So this angle here is 32 degrees. So we can easily find, because we're looking for the whole of this angle. Let the whole of this angle be K. Let's say K. It means y plus K will be equals to 180 degree. We don't even need this x value, because we're looking for the whole of this angle here is 180 degree, sum of angles on a straight line. It means we can say angle ED, angle AED rather, uh, is equals to 180 degree. That's sum of angles in sum of angle at a point, or sum of angle on a straight line rather. Okay, so it means this angle here, y plus k is equals to 180. Y plus k is equals to 180 degree, but we know our k and our y as 32 degrees. So 32 degree plus k, which is the whole of this angle now, plus k will be equals to 180 degree. So k now will be 180 degree minus 32 degree. Finally now, we're looking for angle, we're looking for this angle here. Finally, the value of k, which is this angle here that we're looking for now, the value of k now will be equals to 180 degree minus 32. Let's do it here. 180 minus 32 degree. This is 10, that will be 8. 7, that's 4. Bring down the 1, that will be 148 degrees. So this angle here that we're looking for is nothing but 148 degree. So this is the solution to this question. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to TJ's Maths and Further Maths Adventures. As I said, the way another person will approach this question may not be the same, but we must arrive at this 148 degree as the required angle here that we are looking for. Thank you for watching.